The Caterpillar D10 has long been a symbol of power and efficiency in the world of heavy equipment, and the 2025 model takes things to an entirely new level. Designed for maximum productivity, durability, and sustainability, this beast of a machine is built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. Whether it's mining, large-scale construction, or heavy-duty earthmoving, the 2025 Caterpillar D10 is engineered to exceed expectations with cutting-edge technology and next-generation enhancements. At first glance, the D10 immediately commands attention with its massive frame and robust build. Weighing in at over 154,000 pounds, this machine is designed to handle extreme loads while maintaining incredible stability and precision. The updated high-efficiency engine now delivers increased horsepower with reduced fuel consumption, allowing operators to push more material with less downtime. Caterpillar's advanced powertrain technology ensures optimal torque and efficiency, making it one of the most fuel-efficient dozers in its class without compromising on raw power. One of the standout features of the 2025 D10 is its intelligent automation system. With integrated CAT command technology, operators can now control the dozer remotely, increasing safety and reducing operator fatigue. The semi-autonomous capabilities allow the machine to optimize blade loads, track slip, and terrain conditions, automatically adjusting to maximize efficiency. This not only improves performance but also reduces wear and tear on critical components, extending the lifespan of the dozer and lowering operating costs. The operator's cab has been completely redesigned for 2025, focusing on comfort, visibility, and ease of use. The spacious interior features ergonomic controls, an advanced touchscreen display, and a high-resolution rearview camera. Noise and vibration levels have been significantly reduced thanks to enhanced cab insulation, ensuring a smoother and quieter ride even in the most demanding conditions. The updated air filtration system also provides a cleaner and more comfortable environment, reducing fatigue and improving overall operator efficiency during long shifts. Durability has always been a key factor in the D10's reputation, and the 2025 model continues that legacy with reinforced structures and advanced materials. The undercarriage has been strengthened to withstand extreme working conditions, while the new high wear-resistant blades and ripper shanks ensure longer life and reduced maintenance. Caterpillar's modular design approach also makes servicing easier, allowing for quicker part replacements and minimizing downtime on the job site. Sustainability is a major focus in the latest D10, with Caterpillar implementing several eco-friendly advancements. The machine now features a next-generation emissions reduction system, meeting the strictest environmental regulations without sacrificing power or efficiency. The improved fuel economy and lower emissions help reduce the carbon footprint, making it a more sustainable choice for companies looking to improve their environmental impact. Additionally, the use of recyclable and longer-lasting components contributes to reducing waste and extending the overall lifespan of the machine. When it comes to performance, the D10 remains unmatched in its class. The redesigned blade system increases material retention, reducing spillage and improving grading precision. The improved ripper design allows for deeper and more efficient penetration, making tough ground conditions easier to handle. Combined with intelligent traction control and adaptive load management, the 2025 D10 offers superior productivity and lower operating costs than ever before. Another major upgrade is the integration of real-time data monitoring through CAT Vision Link technology. This system provides operators and fleet managers with detailed performance insights, fuel consumption reports, and predictive maintenance alerts. By utilizing AI-driven analytics, companies can proactively address maintenance needs, reducing unexpected breakdowns and optimizing fleet performance. This level of connectivity ensures that every aspect of the D10 is running at peak efficiency, maximizing uptime and overall return on investment. The 2025 Caterpillar D10 is not just a dozer, it's a game changer in the industry. With its combination of unmatched power, intelligent automation, and advanced sustainability features, it represents the future of heavy equipment. Whether you're pushing massive amounts of earth in a mining operation or handling large-scale construction projects, this machine is built to handle the job with precision and efficiency. Caterpillar continues to push the boundaries of innovation, ensuring that the D10 remains the top choice for operators around the world. For those looking to invest in the next generation of heavy equipment, the 2025 Caterpillar D10 delivers everything you need and more. With improved fuel efficiency, enhanced durability, and state-of-the-art technology, this dozer is designed to keep your operations running smoothly and profitably. Stay ahead of the competition with the power of the D10 and experience the future of earthmoving today.